Introducing the Tecno Spark 20, your reliable partner in the ever-changing tech world with its powerful octa-core processor. It effortlessly combines performance and efficiency. To handle all your multitasking demands, the CPU is packed with 2 by 2.0 GHz Cortex-A75 and 6 by 1.8 GHz Cortex-A55 cores, ensuring a smooth and seamless user experience. It's definitely a phone you can trust. Display. Prepare to be amazed by the Tecno Spark 20's expansive 6.6-inch display. It delivers a captivating visual experience with its 720 by 1612 pixel resolution and impressive 20:9 aspect ratio. The screen-to-body ratio of 84.6% provides an edge-to-edge display, making every interaction with your phone a visual delight. With a pixel density of approximately 267 ppi, your content will look sharp and vibrant. Get ready to enjoy stunning visuals on your Tecno Spark 20. Camera. Get ready to capture the world in breathtaking detail with the Tecno Spark 20's powerful rear camera setup. The main 50MP wide lens with its wide aperture of f/1.6 and PDAF phase detection autofocus guarantees that every shot you take will be a masterpiece. And that's not all. The 0.08MP auxiliary lens adds a unique perspective to your photography, allowing you to unleash your creativity and bring a whole new level of artistry to your mobile experience. So get ready to capture stunning moments and create visual masterpieces with your Tecno Spark 20. Battery life. The Tecno Spark 20 is perfect for your daily adventures. It comes with a powerful 5000 mAh non-removable LiPo battery that will keep up with your active lifestyle. You won't have to worry about frequent recharging because it provides the longevity you need to stay connected, capture precious memories, and enjoy multimedia throughout the day. It's the ideal companion for your on-the-go lifestyle with the Tecno Spark 20. Get ready to embark on an incredible mobile journey where power meets elegance and functionality meets style. Stay connected, capture life's precious moments, and explore endless possibilities with a device that seamlessly combines cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design. It's the perfect companion to enhance your mobile experience and make every moment count.
Full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said?